Today's topic is change. You don't like where you are today? Well, change something. You don't like how your body looks? The answer is change something. You don't like being in debt? Change something. You don't like your job? Change it or do something about it. You don't like how miserable you are all the time? Well, you know the answer by now. Change something. Complaining about your situation is not going to change your situation. No one is coming to save you. There are no free lunches in this world. There's a reason why Einstein labeled the definition of insanity as doing the same thing over and over again but expecting a different result. Nothing will change in this world until you change something. Nothing in your life will improve until you get off your pity party and improve it yourself. How do you expect anything else to change if you don't change anything? 2 plus 2 is always going to be 4. If you want it to get to 5 or 6, you are going to have to change a number. That's common sense. If you want change, change something. If you want a better life, sorry to bring you the bad news, but it is you and you alone that is going to have to be better. But that's also the good news, because you're the one who's in control here. You are in control of how you feel every day. You are in control over the improvements that you can do to bring a better future, a future that you can see for yourself. If you make daily changes, daily improvements, you can make your life much better than it was yesterday. It's all really up to you. Leo Tolstoy once said, "Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself." And that's just it, isn't it? You can't change the world until you change yourself. You can't have better relationships until you are better in the relationship. You can't have a better body or health until you make changes that make them better. You have to take radical and absolute responsibility for everything in your life. You have to own it all. Another way of saying it would be everyone wants change, but no one is willing to start with themselves. And that is the only place that will bring change. Be brave enough to look at everything you don't like about your life, not for pity, but with pride, knowing exactly where you are headed, knowing exactly what you need to change, knowing that you're going to make these changes that are needed to take your life forward, to take you where you want to go. Knowing that is all on you. And you cannot have it in any other way. So take a step back, take a look at your life as if from a bird's eye view, as if it was someone else's life. Then pretend as if you're a wise mentor. Why do you need to change now? So you can create the future that you really want to be. What are the big decisions you must make now so you can live with pride tomorrow? Make those changes today. So get up, get going. And if you don't like the situation that you're in right now, change it. It all begins with you.